Two Congress MLAs that were suspended from the party a few months ago had today officially joined the National People's Party at a special function that was held in Shillong on the 19th of December 2022. The two that included the MLA of 16 East Shillong Constituency, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, and that of 18 West Shillong Constituency, Mohendro Rapsang, were welcomed by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and also National President of the party, Conrad K Sangma, in the presence of the Deputy Chief Minister of the state and Vice President Prestone Tynsong and NPP state leaders that included the State President Dr. E R Kharlukhi, members of frontal organizations, party workers, supporters and family members of the two legislators.
When you're down and troubled and you need some love and care, and nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest nights. You just call on my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer or fall, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You have a friend.
There is a connection from a very long time between the people who are sitting out here on the stage. It was almost as if we were always meant to be together. It's almost as if we have been together in the past. Whether it is a generation before us, when late P.A. Sangma, late Peter Marbanyang, even our other senior leaders who are present here on the dais, worked shoulder to shoulder, worked together to take this beautiful state of ours forward. And here we are today, one whole circle round, back again, to be here together, to continue the work that these great leaders had started, and to take forward and take it to the logical conclusion. It's like it was meant to be. And that's why there's a sense of happiness and satisfaction today, not only in the hearts and minds of the leaders, but of each and every member of East Shillong, of West Shillong, and also of Narpu area, where people are seeing hope. People are seeing that there is a vision. People are seeing that yes, maybe it is possible that one day this state of ours will touch great heights. Maybe it is possible that after 50 years again, there will be a political party that will get single majority in the assembly. It is possible. And it is this hope and this possibility that has brought each and every one of us together out here. In the last 5 years, we faced numerous challenges. I don't even have to count them. They are countless. And challenges which some of them the world has never seen before. And yet we kept going.